So what happens when you mix a snowmobile and a motorized bike? You get the Ktrak. Let's check this thing out. Hey, so what's going on YouTube? This is Alec from MotorLife.com, and I have a special episode for you today because I've been waiting for this thing since I started motorized bikes. This is the Ktrak snow bike conversion kit on a motorized bicycle with a jack shaft. So let's go ahead and let's see what's going on with this thing. All right, for those of you that don't even know what the Ktrak is, it is actually a kit you can buy that has this back tank tread with a multi-speed gear, and it comes with two different attachments. You either get a ski attachment or a big fat snowboard attachment, but you can see it kind of just bolts on to your regular system here. Now it actually hooks to the same forks that you use and then has a clamp right there that's used to hook, so you still get the benefits of your suspension, just no wheel. Of course the disc brake does not work on that, as you can imagine. Now if you guys don't remember this bike, this was the White Raptor 7-speed shift kit. This is an older actual Zeta engine from a couple years ago. You can see getting here. Now, this thing is heavy. I'm going to tell you it's heavy. The whole kit is like 40 different pounds, 40 pounds. Now, it's super heavy. Now, the first ride blew up this back cassette, so I had to go, thanks to the guys at Bushwhacker, hooked me up with this nice cassette and some disc brakes for this guy, because once you get going, you're going to need some sort of brake to stop this. Now, you can see everything's starting to rust a little bit just from being out in this salty weather. Now you see it does have this hydraulic piston, so you can actually go over bumps, and the front actually has spring action too, so this lifts up and down, and this goes up and down here, so you can go over hills and bumps without bottoming out. Now it finally snowed, and this is probably the first time that I've ever actually wanted it to snow so I can go ride my bike. All right, I'm going to do a bunch of videos. This is kind of just a walk-around general introduction video of what I'm calling the Arctic Shark. And if you guys like this bike or any of the other stuff I do, don't forget to throw a thumbs up down at the bottom. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. All right, so enough looking at this thing. Let's go test this thing out. Too deep. Oh, works though. Works. She works. Not very well. Yeah. can already see this is an issue. I've seen some that have an extra bracket that goes here to keep that on, but that keeps happening. Here we go. I wonder if I can. Nope. Oh, and this is back off again. What the hell? I've had to do that several times now. And it's this little spring down here. Keeps coming off. Yeah, I think it's heavy. I'm gonna weigh that when I get back. Ah, man, that thing's gotta be close to 100 pounds, maybe more, I don't know. But let's see if I can go back up this way and maybe around the whole park. Thick. Oh yeah, so yeah, final decision. This thing is way too heavy. Jack shaft makes it way, this thing's hard to pedal by itself. Imagine with that jack shaft on there trying to start it. This frozen tundra, this ice does not work. It stops it immediately. It's heavy. It's heavy. So heavy it's hard for me to even pedal. Yeah, we're gonna see. We're gonna do a lot of tests. This is a cool concept, at least proof of concept. It works, it's good. It works, it does what it's supposed to do. I can't breathe. All right, well, that was super exhausting. Thanks again for watching, everybody. You're gonna see a whole lot more of this bike. I already got a front wheel and a studded tire. Guarantee that's gonna do a lot better with this heavy thing. So stay tuned. And here's a little sneak peek for you guys. Alrighty guys, here is a video that YouTube picked out just for you, and then here's a video of what's coming up next. And once again, thanks for watching.